Investing in your health isn't just about eating right or exercising. It's about making smart financial choices that support your long-term well-being. In 2025, the way we approach health and finances is evolving, and understanding your options can make all the difference. Should you prioritize high-quality food or focus on affordable meal planning? Is a gym membership worth it? Or is investing in home workout equipment the smarter move? What about health insurance, preventative care, and the hidden costs of neglecting your health? These are the real decisions that shape both your physical and financial future. From budgeting for better nutrition to deciding on health insurance plans, there are multiple paths to take. Some people choose employer benefits and health savings accounts, while others explore alternative insurance options or even medical tourism for major procedures. The key is knowing what works for your lifestyle and financial situation. Retirement planning also plays a role. Will you have the resources to maintain a high quality of life as you age? Or are you setting yourself up for costly health expenses down the road? The choices you make today can either build a strong foundation or create financial stress later in life. That's why at thrivexdna.com, we provide resources to help you navigate these critical financial and health decisions. Whether you're looking to optimize your budget for wellness, understand insurance policies, or plan for long-term financial stability, we've got you covered. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Explore your options, take control of your financial and physical well-being, and build a healthier future. Want to learn more? Visit thrivexdna.com today for expert guidance and tools to take your health and wealth to the next level. And if this video helped you think differently about investing in your well-being, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. See you next time.